Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark in Google Docs. So guys, if you want to remove a watermark in Google Docs, so very easy. Firstly, open Google Docs. Click on three line dot. After click on Docs. After click on Insert. Click on Watermark. After click on Remove Watermark. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to remove watermark, firstly click on Insert, click on Watermark. After click on Remove Watermark. There it is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to remove a watermark in Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video is useful or not.